In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign a Docusign document step by step so you know exactly what to expect from the moment you see the document to the moment it's officially completed. Let's start from your Docusign home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after you log in, and it's where all of your documents and actions are organized. Take a moment to make sure you're on the home page. If you've been navigating around, you can usually get back there by clicking the home option near the top of the screen. From here, you'll be able to open the document you need to sign. Look for the option that says sign a document. This is typically a clear button or link on the home dashboard. Go ahead and click sign a document. This tells Docusign that you want to start the signing process, either for a document that's been sent to you or one you're uploading yourself. After you click it, Docusign will guide you into the document view where you can see the pages and any fields that require your attention. Once the document is open, take a moment to review it carefully. Scroll through each page, read the contents, and make sure everything looks accurate and complete. It's always a good idea to confirm details like dates, amounts, and any terms or conditions before you add your signature. If something looks off, pause here and reach out to the person who sent the document rather than signing right away. When you're ready to sign, look for the signature field. DocuSign usually highlights the areas that need your input, often with tags that say sign, initial, or date. Click directly on the first signature tag you see. As soon as you click it, DocuSign will either prompt you to adopt a signature style, or if you've used DocuSign before, it may automatically use the signature you've already set up. If you're choosing your signature for the first time, you'll see a few different style options. Select one that you're comfortable with, or if available, draw your own using your mouse or touchscreen. Once you confirm your signature, DocuSign will apply it to the document wherever a signature is required. Continue clicking any remaining required fields, such as initials or dates, until everything is filled in. DocuSign usually helps by moving you from one required field to the next, so you don't miss anything. After you've placed your signature and completed all of the required fields, it's time to finish the process. Look for the Finish button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. This is an important step because your document is not officially completed until you click Finish. Before you do, take a final glance over the document, make sure your signature is in place, any initials are added, and all necessary information has been entered correctly. Once you're confident everything looks right, click Finish. DocuSign will process your completed document and save it. Depending on how the document was set up, you may see a confirmation message, receive an email copy, or both. At this point, your part is done, and the signed document is securely stored and ready for whoever needs to review it next. That's all there is to it. By opening your document from the home dashboard, clicking Sign a Document, adding your signature, and then selecting Finish, you've successfully signed a DocuSign document.